Traverse, GMC Acadia, and the Buick Enclave are all on the same platform. And again, it's one of those vehicles where it's nice to know how to take these shifter knobs out, because if you don't, you can cause some damage. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the ignition on. So we're going to hold the button. Some vehicles, if you tap, it goes to ignition. This one you have to hold. Our lights turn on. Do not hit the brakes to start the engine. We're going to then put it preferably in neutral, and you have to make sure that your parking brake is on, and you're going to pull straight up. Again, this is becoming a trend now in these vehicles, is they're not using a Jesus clip or a set screw. And first instinct if you're working on vehicles is you start wanting to pry everywhere. Now this vehicle, the boot does not separate easily, it's on a lip, so I'm going to be removing the whole cover here to do my work. I'm going to show you how this comes out. So I'm just twisting a little bit, holding the shifter, and you can get it out, and then we can go ahead and remove this whole thing. When you have everything removed before you continue work, make sure you put it back into park. And there you guys have it. That's how you remove out the shifter knob out of a Traverse.
In the car with my day ones, they're my dogs, yeah, they're my best friends, they're my brothers, yeah, my family.